Hello, Tom from Every Step Physics, everystepcalculus.com. Physics problem, you can see this is a bullet problem hitting a pendulum type of bob, and it can be hitting a block on a table, whatever. They give you the variables. Here's a 5-gram bullet and going 300 meters per second, and then the block is, the weight is 1.995 kilograms. My programs are the only physics programs that I know about you can load into a titanium calculator and take it into your physics test, so keep that in mind, okay, for $30. But you decide whether you want to memorize 1,000 formulas that make no sense, and try to put them together for all the trick things they give you in these word problems. But my system is you take whatever's given here, like this would be mass 1, put it in the side of your paper, 5 grams, put the mass 2, 1.995 kilograms on the side of your paper, put the initial velocity, 300 meters per second, on the side of your paper, and then circle what you're asked to get. Well, in this case, you're A and B. How high the block raised after the bullet hit it, and then the speed of the bullet and the block together. But anyways, look at this. This is all from Yahoo. Notice the answer here. Well, that really is good, isn't it? This is the best answer. It says apply the law of conservation of momentum, and then puts this formula down here, and you're supposed to memorize that and say, oh gee, thanks, you know, we don't want the answer, we want to know how to do the problem so we can pass the damn test. That's really what we need to do and want to do when we ask these problems on the internet or a physics teacher or whatever. Let's do it. Press enter, put physics into the entry line here, all with my instructions. I'm already at bullet to save time, but you'd scroll down with the cursor here, the 4-leaf clover cursor, down to bullet. Press enter, and some of the problems, this one happens to be embedded in the block, so that's what I have here for the menu. Number 4. And what did they give us? They give us mass 1, mass 2, and then the initial velocity. Well, that happens to be number 8 here. Mass 1, mass 2, and initial velocity of the bullet. So we could press number 8 on the keypad, or we could scroll down. Either one will work. And so now we're going to add the variables. Okay, we're going to enter the bullet's mass. I have to press alpha first, alpha 5, and grams. I do the conversions. We're going to press number 1. Conversion is 0.005. And we're going to enter the block's mass, and that equals alpha 1.995 kilograms, number 2. And we're going to put in the velocity of the bullet, alpha 300 meters per second, number 4, and it's to the right, but that doesn't make any difference here, but I have it for other things like collisions in cars and things like that, so it has to, where it does make a difference whether you're going right or left on the x-axis. So I always show you what you can enter here. This is actually 2 kilograms, actually 1.995 in here, which will be calculated at, but and so we're going to say it's okay, and we have the final velocity of the block and the bullet, which is asked for, number A here. That equals 0.75 meters per second, and the final height is equal to 1/2 times the velocity we just found times the gravity, 9.81, and it equals 0.02867. Now if you made that centimeters, you'd multiply times 100, so that'd be 2.86 centimeters. You have to think a little bit in life, right? So anyways, we can do it again or whatever. That's the way my programs work, and they're only one of a kind, so you can always answer this stuff as long as you keep the titanium in your drawer of your house or in your school bag or whatever, you know. And you can throw out all the notes and all your books, because this is the most important part of all of it. So anyways, go to my site, buy my programs, and pass physics. Otherwise, study your butt off learning these formulas and trying to put them together, okay? But anyways, have a good one, and good luck in your classes.